Hey there, my name is Fran Loubser, and in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the three ways that leaders will get more eyeballs on their live videos. So, if we're meeting for the first time, as I said, my name is Fran Loubser, and I'm one of the co-founders of Beach Boss Influencers, where we coach and mentor network marketers how to get more leads and sales, leveraging the power of social media and leveraging automation on social media. So, three ways that leaders get more eyeballs on their live videos. And the first way, and these are all equally as important. There isn't one that is more important than the other. They're all equally important. And the first way is that you understand. You need to understand who your perfect prospect is. You need to understand who that person is, and what their struggles are, what their emotions that they're going through, what information they're searching for, what they're desperate to find out, and what their dream looks like, and understanding what their struggle looks like, what they're struggling with right now, what their dream looks like, and what the missing link is. Okay, what is it that they need to hear today that is going to help them make one step forward? All right, and once you understand that, is then you know who that person is to make sure that you are consistently growing an audience of those people. All right. So if you understand who your avatar is, you understand who your person is, who your perfect prospect is, who your perfect customer is, that you are growing an audience of those people, that the content that you're putting out is actually landing on the eyes of people who are searching for your products or searching for a network marketing opportunity. All right. Because if you understand, if the content that you're putting out is only going to your friends and family and you haven't been growing an audience of your perfect prospects, then it's falling on deaf ears. All right. So you understand who they are, you're growing an audience of those people, and you are also you are making the most of the algorithm in that you are loving on their content. If you want people to love on your content, if you want Facebook to show your content to more people, it wants to know that or wherever you are, whether you're on Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform you're on, it wants to know that you are giving love to the people that you want to see, that you want to see your content, because this is the law of reciprocity. People are going to engage on your stuff if you've given love on theirs. And Facebook, and um, I love Facebook. This is where I've always built, but the same for Instagram. If you're not um, engaging and giving love and genuine love, genuine comments on their content, then they won't see your stuff. They won't see your live videos. They won't see your content. All right. Now, before I carry on, live video is the most powerful way for you to build know, like, and trust. When you were building, and maybe you are new to building on social media, or maybe you've always built on social media, but one of the reasons why building, old school face to face worked so well was because it was face to face and people got to know you. People could see you. They got your energy. It built that know, like, and trust way faster. And if you're hiding behind your screen and you're just posting content, and not letting people hear you, see you, feel your energy, then you're missing the most powerful tool that you can use to build that know, like, and trust faster. All right. So if you're not doing live video and perhaps you're frightened of, I need to look a certain way, I need to be a certain way, I need to have my makeup done perfectly, I need to have clean hair, I need to have clean clothes, that firstly, they can't smell you. All right. Your perfect prospect is somebody who's just like you. All right, little hint there. Your perfect prospect is somebody who's just like you, and maybe just like you 6 months ago or a year ago or 10 years ago. And so have the courage to show up as you are, who you genuinely are. Because if you never wear makeup, don't go and do your face up and put makeup on. That's not you. And your perfect prospect is just like that. And so when they see that, okay, I don't have to have a full face of makeup, perfectly contoured makeup, no lines and wrinkles, I don't doesn't matter if my hair is scraped back in a ponytail. if she can do it, I can do it. So it's going to build that trust faster. Okay. So that's the first thing. The most important thing is knowing your avatar, growing that audience of your avatar, giving love before you do your live video. So you're making sure that you're giving love on social media before you do your live video. All right. The second thing, super important, is most people watch live video on replay. Most people are not going to catch it live. And so if you want to make sure that you catch all those people who are watching the replay, all right, and often they are watching it on silent. They may be watching it while they're working. They may be sneaking, a quick video while their boss isn't looking, but they can't have the sound on. And so they need to see what's in that live video. Above this video is a title and a description. So it's telling you exactly what you're going to learn in this video. And in the description is digging into the struggles, is digging into the pains, is I know where you are. I used to be terrified of doing live video because I thought I had to look and be a certain way. And I didn't think that I was, far ahead enough in order to share value. All right. And so letting people know what they're going to learn, digging into the pain, leading them to a solution and thinking, okay, like I've got to watch this because she knows exactly what I'm going through right now and she can help me get a little bit ahead. I don't know if you heard a little hint there, like you don't need to be at your goal in order to do live video, in order to share value to your perfect prospect. All you need to do is be one step ahead and then just lead them, just say, okay, well, I can help you get one step further than you are right now. You only need to be one step ahead. If you learn something, this is exactly what I did when I started learning how to build on social media, is I would learn something, I would turn around and teach it. I would learn something, turn around and teach it. I wasn't there. I wasn't making, big money. I didn't lead a big team. In fact, I had no team. But I was learning value that I knew my perfect prospect needed to hear right now, and then I would turn around and teach it. Okay, so have the courage to show up exactly as you are, that you learn something. If you're learning something from today's episode, turn around and teach it to your people. Okay, so that's the second thing, is making sure that you have a title, all right, and a description so that people can see what they're going to learn. It's something that I see so many people miss. They don't put a title in, and then I don't know what I'm going to learn there. The third thing is making sure that when you start your live video, you get into the meat and potatoes quickly. You tell them what they're going to learn. You tell them exactly what they're going to learn, and then you keep it as short and sweet as you can. Okay, so it doesn't need to be a 20-minute video. In fact, please don't make them 20-minute videos. 5 to 10 minutes is perfect. All right, so give them 3 points. In today's video, you're going to learn three ways that you can get more content, more eyeballs on your live video, and then you give the 3 points, and then give a call to action at the end. It's important throughout the video, and let me know if you're getting value from this, because I haven't done it today, but it's important through the video to actually ask for engagement, to ask people to, let me know if this is making sense to you, and let me know if you've been terrified of doing live video. Let me know if live video has been something that you've been putting off doing because you've been terrified of doing it. So ask for engagement throughout the live video, because as you ask for engagement, you tell people what to do, they are going to do it and they will comment. Okay. But if you don't ask for engagement, then they're not going to comment. People need to know what to do next. So you need to tell people what to do, ask for the engagement throughout the video. A great way at the beginning is say, if you're joining me, let me know who you are. Let me know where you're coming in from. If you're catching the replay, please drop a hashtag replay down below so I can come back around and say hello to you. And I'm curious, where you're watching this from, because I'd love to know where my videos reach in the world. Okay, so making sure that you're asking for engagement throughout the video, and then have a call to action at the end. Tell them what to do. The call to action could just be, let me know what your biggest takeaway has been. The call to action could be, drop video if this is something that you struggle with, and I have a resource that I can get to you, or I have a training coming up in my group that online video, drop video, and I will, I'll get you the group, the link to the group so you can get in. All right. Obviously, I'm talking about live video, but whatever your video is about, making sure that you are asking for engagement and you have a call to action at the end, so that you are you telling them what to do next. All right. So let me know what your truly, let me know what your biggest takeaway has been here. Let me know if you've been struggling to do live video, if live video has terrified you, and if you have been terrified of doing live video, I would love a commitment from you as to when you are going to do your first live video. Tell me in the comments when you're going to do your first live video, so we can celebrate you, and cheer you on from the sidelines. So I hope you got value from today. If you want more help to build your business on social media, if you want more help building influence on social media so you can stop feeling like that salesy weirdo, there's going to be a link above or below this video. Go grab that link, so you can get started, and you can get started fast. I will see you all again soon. Until next time, cheers. Bye-bye.